To Jeremy. Today we are going to see how we can install Claude Code in our Windows machine. So go to cloudcode.docs and where you have the terminal guide. This is the link. I will provide in this link into the description of the video. You can get it from there. And once you navigate here, Windows, you can see install Git for Windows. This is the prerequisite. If you are not having any Git in your local, go to this. When you click on here, right, it will go directly to the Git for installation. Click here to download and it will download the latest. If you already one, the latest will be replaced over there. Okay, so this is, you can do it on your own. And then if you go back, right, see every instructions is given here. So first we will go to PowerShell. Okay, let's wait for PowerShell to come up. Once the PowerShell is opened, just install Claude. This is the command we need to copy and paste it. So before that, I will show you whether the Claude is there or not. Okay, see, it's not there, so it's fine. Let's install this. Just give a minute or two. It will download the package and it will give the instructions as well, right? Similar thing you can do it even with your CMD command prompt. That also you can do it, but the command for the command prompt will be different. Okay. Once this is installed, right, we need to initialize the Claude. The Claude initialization will takes place here. We just simply run the Claude, right? So it won't be that. Okay, you can see, right, setting up Claude Code, installing Claude Code native build, latest one. It is trying to download all this in your PowerShell, right? You just trigger this command and then it will trying to set up a Claude. Now Claude successfully installed with the version, and this is the path, right, where it is installed. So you just need to copy this, and if you run Claude help before that, it won't work. Okay, you need to add this into your path. So we'll add that path and after that we'll come back here. Okay, so just go to environment variables, edit, and the path, right, just edit it and you can just say new and paste this, right? Just simply click on OK and OK again. Okay, now I will just give Claude help, right? Will it work? Yes, it won't work because we are in the same session. So if you use new terminal, then definitely it will work. Claude help, right? See, this is how you need to first set the environment variables, otherwise it won't work for you. And what is the another instructions you can see right here? Claude setup nodes. So native installation of existing, but this is not in your path, right? So maybe it's already exist, but it's not in the path. So we need to add it a path. Everything is done. Now we need to restart the terminal, and so we just opened the new terminal and it working fine. So now how we need to connect the Claude, how we need to initialize the Claude. Just simply enter the Claude and it will show you the which mode you want, either dark mode or light mode. Dark mode with a combination of color brain and light mode. Like these are the modes we have. So if you want, you can go with the default one. Just click enter, and now it will ask you to the Claude Code can be used with Claude subscription or build based on the API size through the console account. Select login method. This is the main important part we are focusing. Our focus is like Claude account with subscription. We have to have this at least, otherwise the Claude Code won't work for us. Either you are be a pro, max, team, or enterprise subscriber, otherwise it won't work for you. And there is a clear documentation in the Claude documentation how to enable. And if you are using any third party like Amazon Bedrock, Microsoft, or Google, so there is a separate concept. So if you are a Claude account user, right, so just click on this option and it will redirect you to the new browser. Claude Max Pro is required to connect to Claude at least. That's what I was saying. So it is asking me to, I'm just using my personal one, and also I'm not using Max or Pro. It's just free version. So I just want to show you. So you just click on upgrade to Max Pro. You will get the plans. but I think it is not coming for me. It is in free plan. It is asking me to upgrade it. So once you upgrade it, if you click on that console, the button, right, you will be navigated to this area. So you can go with whatever the plan, whichever best suits for you. Okay. And if you have team or enterprise, there is a different subscriptions. That is how you need to connect from Claude Code from your local, if it is in a Windows machine. That's it for now. I will also just create an how to uninstall Claude also from your system. That will help. I will add in the other video. Thanks for now. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to comment. Thank you.